Hare Krishna. This recording is for my sloka recitation test of Bhakti Vedanta Module 1. Now I am going to recite the first 8 sloka of Canto 7 given in the manual of Bhakti Vedanta Module 1. Hare Krishna. गोप्या कामाद् भयात् कंसो द्वैषाच्छेदादयो नृपा सम्बन्धाद् वैष्णवा स्नेहात् एवं भक्त्या वयं विभो. My dear King Yudhishthira, Gopis by their lusty desire, Kansa by his fear, Shishupala and other kings by their envy, Yaduj by their familial relationship with Krishna, you Pandavas by your great affection for Krishna, and we, the general devotees, by your devotional service, have obtained the mercy of Lord Krishna. Tat sadhu maine suravairya dehinam sada samudbigna dhiyam sadgrihat. Tat sadhu maine suravairya dehinam sada samudbigna dhiyam sadgrihat. Hitvatmapatam grihamandhakupam Banam gatoya dharimasrayeta. Prahlad Maharaj replied, O best of the Asuras, king of the demons, as far as I have learned from my spiritual master, any person who has accepted a temporary body and temporary household life is certainly embarrassed by anxiety because of having fallen in a dark well where there is no water but only suffering. Therefore, one should give up this position and go to the forest, Vana. More clearly, one should go to Vrindavana, where Krishna consciousness is prevalent predominantly, and thus should take shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Sravanam Prahlad Maharaj Prahlad Uvacha Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Bandhanam Daisam Saikyam Atma Nivedanam Iti Punsarpita Vishnu Bhakti Chena Navalakshana Kriyeta Bhagavati Adha Tadmaine Dhitau Tamam. Prahlad Maharaj said, Sravanam, hearing chanting their transcendental holy name, form, paraphernalia, pastimes of Lord Vishnu, Smaranam, remembering about them, Padasevanam, serving the lotus feet of the Lord, Archanam, offering the Lord the respectful worships with 16 types of paraphernalia, Bandhanam, offering prayers to the Lord, Daisam, becoming his servant, Saikyam, considering the Lord as one's most intimate friend, Atma Nivedanam, surrendering everything unto him. In other words, serving the Lord with one's body, mind, and words. These 9 processes are accepted as pure devotional service. Anybody who has dedicated his life to the service of Krishna through these 9 methods is understood to be the most learned person, for he has acquired the complete knowledge. Matirna Krishna paratah satoba Mitho vipaddeta griha vratana. Matirna Krishna paratah satoba Mitho vipaddeta griha vratana. अदान्तगभीर्विशतां तमिस्रम् अदान्तगभीर्विशतां तमिस्रम् पुनः पुनः चर्बितचर्वनानां पुनः पुनः चर्बितचर्वनानां. Prahlad Maharaj replied, because of their uncontrolled senses, persons who are addicted to materialistic life make progress towards hellish condition and repeatedly chew that has been already chewed by others. Their inclination towards Krishna is never aroused, either by the instruction of others, by their own efforts, or a combination of both. न ते विदो स्वार्थ गतिं हि विष्णु दुराश्रयाये बहिरर्थमानिनाम् अन्धा यथान्धेरुपनीयस्माना अन्धा यथान्धेरुपनीयस्माना तपि स्वतन्त्रं मुरुदां निबद्ध. Persons who are strongly entrapped by the consciousness of enjoying material life and who have therefore accepted their leader or guru, a similar blind person attached to external sense objects, cannot understand the ultimate goal of life is to return home back to Godhead and engage in the service of the Lord Vishnu. As a blind man guided by another blind man deviated from the right path and fall into a ditch, similarly materially attached man led by another materially attached man miss the goal of life and entangle in the strong fruitive lever and continue materialistic life again and again, suffering threefold of miseries. Naisamatistavat urkramangrim Naisamatistavat urkramangrim Sparsati anartha pagamo yadartha Maheya sampada rajobhisekam Maheya sampada rajobhisekam Niskincanamna nabranita grihat. Unless they smear upon their bodies the dust of the lotus feet of a Vaishnava, completely freed from material contamination, persons very much inclined towards materialistic life cannot be attached to the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, who is glorified for his uncommon activities. Only by becoming Krishna consciousness and surrendering to the lotus feet of the Lord, one can be freed from the material contamination. Sri Prahlad uvacha Kaumara acharet pragya dharman bhagavatan iha durlabham manusam janma tadapi adhrubam arthadam. Prahlad Maharaj said that intelligent person rejects the activities of material sense enjoyment and practices devotional service right from the time of the tender age of childhood. Durlabham manusam janma. Human life is very rare and rarely obtained. Although human form of body is temporary, it is very purposeful, because in human life only one can practice bhakti and becomes eligible to return home back to Godhead. Hare Krishna. Thank you.